This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make roles in Discord PC. First, launch the Discord application on your computer. Once open, locate and click on the specific server where you intend to add new roles. You will find the server name positioned at the top left of your screen. Click this name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Server Settings option to proceed. Now that you are in the server settings, look for the Roles tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on this tab to view all existing roles. To add a brand new role, simply click the prominent Create Role button. A default new role will instantly appear, typically named New Role, and it will be ready for you to customize its name, color, and permissions. With your new role created, it's time to personalize it. Start by giving it a clear, descriptive name and selecting a distinct color to help it stand out. Next, carefully review and adjust the permissions. You can grant or deny access to over 30 different actions, like managing channels or kicking members. Also, decide if members with this role should be displayed separately in the member list. Remember to save your changes. Once your role is perfectly configured, it's time to assign it to your server members. Return to your server's main page. Find the member you wish to assign the role to, right-click on their name, and a context menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the Roles option, and then simply click on the name of the role you just created. Members can hold multiple roles, combining their permissions effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.